Oh, hi, it's Kevin Williams from InsideEVs.
Hey, how's it going?
Kevin, why don't you tell us what we're driving today?
We've got the Lynk Co 900.
Lynk Co 900.
It sits at the top of the line of the Lynk Co family. It is a plug-in hybrid slash extended range EV. Lynk Co calls it a super hybrid, so they say it can do all three, whichever that means. So, trying to find out what this means on the road here.
And you were saying earlier, this is the same car as the Volvo XC90?
Sure, it's on the same SPA platform that they use, but they call it SPA Evo, I think, which means it's got some stuff done to it specifically for this vehicle.
Yeah, and when he says specifically for this vehicle, look at this screen. I didn't know what this car was when I hopped into it with Kevin here, and I definitely, said some words I won't repeat on YouTube, but like that is a screen, that thing. Look at this bad boy. Look at this big chungus right here. This is a really nice car inside. Again, super nice soft touch materials. The door blends into the dash. Great software setup. Check out this little driver facing screen he has right there. You can see your gas and your electric range together, and a bunch of other cool displays. There's the weather and the time. Autonomous driving. Looks like you've got some tire pressure stuff over there. This is a really, really nice piece of kit. So this is the Lynk Co flagship vehicle, right?
Yes.
Do we have any idea how this thing is priced at, like, or what it's similar to, or?
I think it's going to be definitely kind of expensive. I'm thinking like $85,000 US.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's not cheap. It's definitely not a cheap car.
Doesn't feel cheap though. This is super just nice all around. Look, this is a big guy too. Funny enough, I was just in an XC90, the new one, and I mean, it's it's nice. It's like the old XC90, which was always a nice car with some heavy updates, but this kind of blows it away in every single metric. I mean, it's really modern and plush and comfortable and quiet. It just feels way more advanced than that Volvo did.
Stuff like this is so cool, man. Like, I can push any seat in the house and control their heating or cooling elements. It's just so easy. That's kind of crazy, man.
The software stack is excellent on this thing,
Yeah.
All right, you've been driving it a bit now. What do you think?
I think it's really solid. There's a good seamless transition from electric power to gas power. But also, like, there's so much EV power here that I can't anticipate any sort of buyer really ever getting into the gas engine unless they drive like a complete asshole like I do sometimes. But yeah, it's really well done. I wonder if this system will make its way into Volvo models. I could absolutely see an XC90 or EX90, using this similar system.
This is a different hybrid system than the XC90 that we get, right?
Correct. That's kind of like an electric motor that sits in front of a real transmission. This is more of like an electric car where the gas motor every now and again chips into the car's power delivery.
Yeah, when you think of how they drive in China, it's a lot of traffic and lower speeds. Like, you'd really never notice the transition to gas ever, or just mostly you'd be running on electric power. I mean, it's almost like an EREV, right? Like, it's probably this gas engine is there for like a power boost and to charge the battery, I'm guessing, right?
Correct. It mostly charges the battery.
Yeah, this is a really lovely machine. It's very, very comfortable. I've spent a couple stints in China being driven around a Buick GL8 minivan, which is, from the last decade or older, and I wish I had been in this thing the whole time, because it's a hell of a lot nicer all around.